Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh condemned the use of drones to drop bombs on civilian populations and security forces, calling it an act of terrorism. In a statement on his X handle, N. Biren Singh described the attacks as cowardly and said the state government takes such unprovoked assaults very seriously. He assured that necessary responses would be taken to combat such forms of terrorism against the indigenous population. And Biren Singh also denounced all forms of violence and called for the people of Manipur to unite against hate, division and separatism. Amidst the prevailing tense situation in Manipur, a fresh incident of violence has rocked the state after 2 bombs allegedly dropped by drones exploded in Senjam-Chirang Maning region of the state on September 2. The incident reportedly took place around 6:20 p.m., leaving a young woman, 23-year-old Watam Sanatomi Devi, daughter of W. Gambi from Senjam-Chirang Maning Laikai, injured. The attack has raised serious concerns about the increasing use of drones in violent attacks within the region. Authorities are investigating the incident to identify those responsible and to assess the security implications of this alarming development.